Whenever you're having a difficult day with the wind, where it is when the water is actually coming, hitting the side of your kayak, and particularly if it's coming on a slight angle, it'll push the kayak this way and turn the front of the kayak in a direction of how the water's coming in. It literally can take total control. It feels like it's a demon that actually takes possession of your kayak while you're. So to prevent this issue, to keep the kayak going straight, I have added the rudder that acts as a block to prevent the weather-cocking to actually push the kayak to the side, and allows the kayak to continue to go straight as I wanted it to.
So if I start talking about Skegs, if you look at my wife's paddleboard, they come with Skegs. And basically what this will do, it's underneath the paddleboard and it helps control the direction of the paddleboard, and at the same time keeps the water from pushing the paddleboard to the left or right. So if you look at my wife's Swell 14, you can see that it comes already pre-installed with mounting holes to the kayak. And I use these mounting holes when I set up my rudder, and I'll show you that in a second over here. Okay. So basically what I have done with my Swell 14 was actually install a Smart Track rudder system. No different than anything else you find on the market, except for this particular model has the ability of actually using two nuts to lock the device in place. You want to make sure that this mounting bracket with the screws attached is actually level. All right, so you get a level, and you want to make sure that it's actually running vertically straight so that the blade is straight down. If this is not level, your blade's going to have a tilt, and no matter what you do, it's going to throw off the actual direction of the kayak. Remember, all I'm trying to do is use this as a straight steering mechanism. You can see it doesn't turn. It's locked in place because of what you have here. And I'll give you all the particulars for the model assembly in the bed of the YouTube video, so you can look it up for yourself. But I can tell you, since I've installed this, I've gone a number of times where the winds are coming out of the north or northeast, and this keeps my kayak going straight. You have a little bit of a drag because you have a rudder. Any rudder is going to add drag to your speed, but it's much better than not having a kayak that you can control. So it's pretty simple. I ran the lines through a couple existing mounts, put a couple little pre-drill holes to install this. While I'm sitting in my kayak, I can easily pull it, which then pulls it out of the water. I can pull it even further, which gets it actually upright.